Unlocking the past. Mastering would for habits in the past. Hello, English learners. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring an exciting aspect of English grammar: modal verbs. Specifically, we're focusing on the usage of would for past habits. This tool can be incredibly powerful in making your conversations and storytelling more fluent and natural. Let's dive in. Before we start, it's important to remember that the modal verb would has multiple uses. It can express polite requests, conditional sentences, and yes, past habits too. Today, we're exclusively focusing on would as a way to talk about habits in the past. Let's consider an example. When I was a child, I would play football every Sunday. In this sentence, would helps express a repeated action or habit in the past, playing football every Sunday. The structure of a positive statement with would for past habits is quite simple. Subject plus would plus base form of the verb. Here are some examples. 1. We would go to the beach every summer. 2. She would always bring cookies to school. Note: would only works with repeated actions, not with states. So you cannot say, I would be young. Instead, use used to, I used to be young. While both would and used to can express habits in the past, there's a subtle distinction. Used to can describe both past habits and states, while would only describes past habits. So you could say, I used to play football, and I used to be a football player, but you could only say, I would play football, not, I would be a football player. That wraps up our exploration of using would for expressing past habits. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to speak about your past actions more effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use this new tool in your next English conversation. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!